again, everyone. In this video, I want to cover a new YouTube embedding plugin that I'm now using on this blog called Smart YouTube. Previously, I was using Artist's YouTube Embed and was having a conflict when I installed Plus Locker. And so what I'm now using is Smart YouTube. So now I'm in my back office here, and I'm on the plugins page. Now I've already got Smart YouTube installed, but I'll just quickly show you. On your plugins page, you're going to click Add New, and then in the search box you'll just type Smart YouTube, and you can either hit enter or click Search Plugins, and it's the first one that comes up. So from here, you just want to install it. It installs very quickly, and then once it's installed, we can get into changing the default settings. The reason I like to use a plugin to handle the embedding is because it gives you a few more options for dealing with your YouTube videos that the standard WordPress renderer doesn't allow you to do. And so that's why I like to use the plugin. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just come down the screen here. I'm just going to collapse a couple of these so I can see it better. And I come down into Settings and to Smart YouTube. I'm going to click on that. And then it opens the options. Now if you want, right at the very top here, there's a section on usage, and if you click this link, it actually opens up some very quick instructions for you. Okay, so this is really handy. It tells you actually how to put the YouTube video into your pages or posts. Okay, you paste the YouTube video URL. Okay, with http://. Okay, and it says notice the V. Okay, so there's a V here right after the HTTP. That's what tells Smart YouTube what to do with this video. Okay, if you just put it in HTTP, then the WordPress renderer is going to take over. Okay, so I'm just going to collapse that. Now when you come in here, you've got your options. Okay, video settings, display videos in posts, and you can display videos in comments. So if you want to give people the ability to display a video in comments, you can do that as well. Use iframe embed code. It says recommended. Okay, so that's what I've done. I've just left that checked. You can select different sizes for your videos, or you can actually just key in the size that you want. So I've just selected the 480 by 385 because that's a nice size. And then for high quality videos, I've selected the 560 by 340. And it's just that size fits nicely with how my blog is set up. Okay, it says video width and height for sidebar mode. So if I'm putting if I want to put a video in my sidebar, it's going to be 150 by 125, and I can change that if I want. If I've got a sidebar that's wider than that, then I can change the settings on that. But I don't tend to put videos on my sidebar yet anyway, so I'm just going to leave that alone. This is a feature that I like. You can set it to either include related videos or do not include related videos. I always set this to not include related videos because when I get somebody onto my blog and they're watching a video and they're finished watching that video, I don't want a whole bunch of other videos to come up and have them click away from my blog. I want to keep them on my blog. So I turn off the related videos and it keeps them on my blog. It doesn't give them the choice to go somewhere else. Okay, so that's a really important feature, and this is the main reason that I use a plugin to manage my YouTube videos. Okay, plus you get a few other options here as far as what it looks like. Show border, you can set it to auto play the videos, loop videos, so just continuously play. Display the search box, remove titles and ratings, remove annotations, enable privacy, and use new YouTube Dark Player. quite honestly, I'll be honest, I'm not quite sure what that is. Some of you might. Custom code compatibility. So this is something that I had to put in here because I was moving from a previous embedding tool. If you don't have a previous embedding tool, then you can just leave this blank. But the short code for my previous tool was YouTube. And so that's why I've put that in there. If you don't have a tool already on your blog, just leave this blank. Don't put anything in there. Okay, and then the rest of it, I just left the defaults. Display video link in RSS feed because I don't want it to actually display a video in my RSS feed. Just put the link. Okay, and then click update options when you're done so that it'll save what you've just changed. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to actually put a video into a post. So I've got a post that I'm working on here, and I think I've already put a video in, but what I'll do is I'll take it out for you so that I can show you how it goes in. Okay, so just let me take that out. Okay, so over here in my YouTube account, okay, I've got a video here that I want to insert onto my blog. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to videos. Okay, and the easiest way to do this, if you've already uploaded it, is just to watch the video. And I'm just going to pause this video. And then up here in the location bar, you just take this URL and you copy it. And I'm going to come back to my post. And I'm going to paste it in. Now remember what it said. I've got to put a V right after the P. And you'll see what else it's done here. I don't know if you can see this in the video or not, but it's made this a clickable link. I don't want a clickable link. So all you do to get rid of the clickable link is with your cursor somewhere in the link, you come up here to the broken chain and you just click and it says unlink. So I'm going to unlink and it removes the link. Okay, I'm going to save the draft. And then I'm going to preview that post. And if I come down here, there is my video all ready to go. It's just a nice size on my blog post. And that's how you use and install Smart YouTube. So like I said, I prefer using a plugin to handle my YouTube videos because it gives you a few more options as to how they are displayed. You can leave it very simple or you can get a little bit fancy with them. But the most important thing is that it allows you to turn off the related videos so that it keeps people on your blog. Alright, so that's it for this video, and have a great day, everyone.